Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Likhith and thank you for visiting my channel. In our last video we have discussed that how to find the square of two-digit number in 5 seconds. In this video we are going to discuss how to find the cube of two-digit number in least time. So come on, let's find it. Before that, if you are new to the channel, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So to find any two-digit cube, we want to know about 1 to 9 cubes value. I recommend you to by heart these values. First of all, let's now recall it. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729. In the competitive exams, we don't have the enough time to find the cubes of that values, some values. So in that cases, these tricks are very useful. So first of all, to understand this trick, let us take an example of 12. Basic example, two-digit example 12, two-digit number 12. If we consider 12 in the one step, first of all follow the steps. Okay, first choose the tens digit term. This is a tens digit term, this is ones digit term. Okay, choose the tens digit term and find the cube of tens digit term, that is 1. 1 cube is 1. And second step is step 2. Step 2 is find the ratio of ones and tens, it is ones place by tens place. Okay, ones place by tens place. 2 by 1 is 2 by 1 is equal to 2. Remember this value 2. Okay, 2 into 1, multiply this up to 4 terms. Step 3 is multiply. 2 into 1 is 2, and 2 into 2 is 4, and 4 into 2 is 8. We got these values. Fourth step is double the values of second and third term. The double the value of second and third term, the double of 2 is 4 and the double of 4 is 8, and simply add it. We will get the result of 8. 4 plus 8, 12. Okay, 2 plus 4, 6 and 7 and 1, 1728 is the value of 12 cube. Okay, first of all locate the tens value. What is the tens value here? 1. Find the cube of 1. 1 cube is 1. And second step is the ratio of ones by tens. 1 by tens, 2 by 1 is 2. Okay, 2 by 1 is 2, and multiply into 1 into 2, that is 2 into 4 and 4 into 8. We should multiply, and then the third step is double the values of second and third term and simply add it. Let us take another example to understand this trick. Let us take the 25. Okay, 25 cube. We want to find 25 cube. 2 cube is 8. Tens digit term is 2 and 2 cube is 8. So write 8. And ratio of ones by tens. So 5 by 2. Ratio is 5 by 2. We found the ratio of 5 by 2. Okay. Now 8 into 5 by 2. 8 into 5 by 2 is 20. Again 20 into 5 by 2 is 50. 50 into 5 by 2 is 125. 50 into 5 by 2 into 50. 25. 25 is 125. Now simply double the values. 40 and 100. And simply add it. By adding in a different manner, first of all only take the ones place. So 5 and the write 12 here. 12 should be added here. 12. Okay, and 0, 2 and 6. 16 will get. 16 should be added here. 16. Okay, 6 and 7. 7 should be added here. That is 15. The value of 25 cube is 15, 6, 2, 5. I hope you understand the trick how to find the 2-digit number cube. First of all, choose the tens term and cube it. Will get an value, and find the ratio of 1s by 10s, 5 by 2, and multiply into 8, 5 by 2. 5 by 2 into 8 is 20. Again 20 into 5 by 2 is 50. 50 into 5 by 2 is 125. Up to 4 terms, okay? And double the second and third term, 40 and 100, and add it. We will get the resultant answer. So better understanding, let's consider another example of 78. Okay, 78 cube. We want to find 78 cube. First of all, 7 cube is 343. Simply write 343. And 7 by 8. Sorry, let's consider 72 for your better understanding. 72. Okay, 343. And 2 by 7 into 343. 343 into ratio is 2 by 7. Okay, 2 by 7. We will get the it is 7 cube. 7 cube and cancel 7 square. 49 into 2, 98. 98. Again 98 into 2 by 7. 98 into 2 by 7. 14 2 ja 28. 28. And 28. 7 4 ja 28. 4 2 ja 8. We found the values, 4 values, and simply double it. If we double these values, we will get the value of 196. 196. Here 56. Add it. Add the values. We will get the, okay. 8. Simply only one digit here, so write 8. And here 8 plus 6 is 14. So only 14. Write 4 here. And 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Write 8 here. Write 8 here. 8 plus 8 is 14. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. 22. 16 plus 6 is 22. And 2 here. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. 18 plus 2 is 20, and 3 30. This 30 should be added here. 30. And we will get the answer 373. 373,248. The value of 72 cube is 373,248. In this manner, you can find any 2-digit number cube in the least time. In the competitive exams, you don't have the time to find all the 72 into 72 into 72, the cube of 72. So in that manner, in that cases, in that situations, we use this type of tricks. Okay, I hope you understand this trick and you love this video. So hit the like button and subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon so that you will get the notifications of my regular videos. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.